Trading in fine chemicals. SLI Chemicals GmbH is located centrally in Frankfurt am Main, an international acting trading company which sells the highest quality fine chemicals all over the world. As a link between producers and users, SLI offers branch-specific solutions based on individual advice and many years of experience. From amino acids and derivatives to oils and extracts, right up to preservatives, customers from the cosmetics, food and feed ingredient industries profit from the top-class raw materials and additives which can be received promptly thanks to the combined deliveries through the main warehouse in Antwerp, Belgium. Short delivery times, flexibility and know-how. Under the management of Stefan Stupp and with the dynamics of the professional team of employees, the certified SLI Chemicals GmbH has successfully become an important partner to a valued clientele. Value for money through quality, competence and efficiency. SLI, trading in fine chemicals.